We can't say yes to everything. And in fact, there are lots of times we definitely should say no. And this is also true with our friends. They don't always have great ideas, do they? Like putting a crayon in the pencil sharpener, or colouring their shoes with purple paint, or brushing their teeth with shampoo. It's sometimes much better, as well as much safer, to tell them no. But it can be hard for a lot of people to do this. Often peer pressure means that we don't want to let others down or appear negatively to them either. You must remember that your own well-being and safety comes first. Tell them that you don't think their idea is great, or you need some time to think about it. If the suggestion from your friends is dangerous, you'll need to tell an adult too.